guys, this is Robert Quebeca, and I'm recording from VTEC training in South Portland, Maine. And this is video number 5 in our series of what is your learning style and your optimal learning method. And today we're going to be talking about audible learners. So audible learners learn by hearing, listening, and comprehending through an internalization process to help them ingrain knowledge. Memories are stored by sound, and memorization tends to be very easy for these people. Audible learners tend to understand spoken instruction far better than written instructions. They learn more effectively through lectures, audiobooks, oral presentations, music, and verbal instructions. Audible learners may consistently hum or talk to themselves through problems. They enjoy music and they benefit from reading aloud. And they're usually good at grammar and learning foreign languages. Okay, so most people, however, you'll find are a combination of all 3 of these learning styles that we've talked about: visual, tactile, and audible. And everyone tends to do better when interacting with a physical item. That way, they can visually see it from all angles, interact and manipulate it, listen to any sounds it might make. So if you are not sure which learning style is your optimal learning style, click on this link here and you can take a short little quiz and find out for yourself what your best learning style is. I found out that I'm 30% audible, 30% visual, and 40% kinesthetic. So I tend to do better in environments that offer all 3 learning styles, which is usually face-to-face or instructor-led learning, for me to retain the information in the most optimal way. So again, find out for yourself and let us know. Just place some comments below and let us know what your learning style is and if it's the learning style that you thought was your optimal style. So thanks for watching video 5. We're going to come back again and learn how to implement your learning style into a learning method, which learning method is also going to be best for you. So thanks again for watching. As always, check out vtec.org for the courses that we offer, and we'll see you again soon. Have a great day.